everyone? This is Hans the Ramen Raider, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. And this is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and this is going to be a two-parter. The first part is going to be the cooking, the next part is going to be the eating. Eating! Yeah! What am I going to eat today? Oh boy. Oh boy, we got a hot one here, folks. Mie Goreng from Indonesia, but it's spicy Korean flavor. From Mie Sedaap. So we will give this a go. You know, I was listening to my buddy the Fat Hipster. Look him up on YouTube. That's too loud. But it is funky enough. But yeah, listen to him. He did a live stream yesterday of a fancy variety. And he was talking about, he did a video of eating durian. And it did not agree with him. Like, there was no debate about it. It didn't like him. It thought he was a poor individual. It jacked him up, and which is a bummer. But that happens sometimes when you try something new. But yeah, he ate some durian and he got like really sick. And now just the thought of durian makes. Well, I guess he said he was editing the video. He's like, but. He watched some other guy's video talking about when you do titling and thumbnails on YouTube. There's a certain rule of thumb that if you want more people to watch your video, then you do these certain things. Like, if you'd said, like I'm going to do on this one, my nose is killing me. This will be Mie Sedaap, spicy Korean flavor Mie Goreng dash Indonesia dash instant noodle recipe time dash EP, and then it'll be like episode 1233. Oh yeah. Well, I could say like, here's how to cook this, or I cook instant noodles for the first time. Those kind of things will get that algorithm just pumping. It's like, ooh, people want to watch somebody do something for the first time. Well, I can't do it. I just can't. People are like, why don't you have more subscribers? I've almost got 20,000, geez. But I just keep cranking out content. And I do it. You know why I do it? I like doing it. I don't care how many people watch my videos. When I get a video that a lot of people watch, I like that, sure. But I can't get with the whole do it to get more attitude. If I do that, then I don't know. A lot of people do it, and a lot of people are successful on YouTube doing that. But I've got a Bluetooth speaker over there. I'm using a GoPro that somebody gave me, and I'm cooking instant noodles. Also, there's a lot of things that go with you getting like a crap load of viewers. You know what one of those things are? A crap load of crappy comments. Blah, 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 blah. What I've gotten lately, God, I got one the other day. Somebody will post a comment and then delete it. But I think they just know you're gonna get the notification and it's gonna go away. I don't know. But this guy said something like, keep your worthless opinions to yourself, you white trash, blah, 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 and leave my people's food alone, or something like that. It was like, whoa, dude. I was kind of surprised. I mean, I've gotten like racial comments against me a few times for, from people from Asia. I'm not trying to do any kind of cultural appropriation. I'm not gonna... Hello! You're not gonna see me donning some kind of clothing saying that I'm from Asia or anything. I'm a white guy, I know it. But... ouch. I don't know. It's just a big load of silliness. People get so worked up about so many different things. Somebody getting worked up to the point of hurling a racist comment at me because of instant noodles. Whoa, whoa, calm down. I take my noodles seriously. I do stuff incorrectly from time to time. I'll be the first to admit that. Don't yell at me. Say, hey, you did this wrong. You're like, wow, thank you. I'd rather know things than keep making mistakes. And I'm more than happy to say I am wrong. So this was a sachet of spicy stuff. There's like the spicy and there's the really spicy. We're using, of course, all of it. All the spicy. And then this is just the seasoning base. Add that in. And let's get down and dirty. Dirty! I got this at S-Mart in Bellevue. You know, shop smart, shop S-Mart. They don't even know. There's no way those guys know. I shouldn't say that, but they might. I hope so. See, there's a lot of Korean groceries out there that are letter than Mart. H-Mart, S-Mart, there was a KS Mart, now we have G-Mart over in Linwood, which when I first ever went there, it was called Paldo World. Paldo, I believe, has to do with the reunification of South Korea with North Korea. Wow, look at this. Whoa. We'll see if it's spicy. That'll be in the mukbang. I'm not gonna taste it right now. I know. What? You're not even gonna eat it? I had a guy like flip out on me when I did an unboxing video, and it was obviously an unboxing. It's like I get tons of stuff, and I like to be transparent about what I get and who it comes from, and if I can, thank them for sending it. You didn't even eat it! You jerk! You wasted my time. I love it when people say stuff like that. You wasted my time. You insulted my intelligence. That's like, if somebody ever says you've insulted their intelligence, it's like, no, I think I gave your level of intelligence proper respect. Generally my answer. I've given your level of intelligence the proper respect it deserves, sir. So, plate. Now, this is a mukbang, so I'm going to put stuff on this for the pretty pictures, but take it off for the mukbang, I think. Oh, this is gonna be so tame. I'm kind of bummed. I wish this was gonna be like my head's gonna explode kind of affair, but I don't think it will be. The soup one, that's the thing though. There was a soup one of this, of me Sedaap, spicy South Korean, and it was good. Wow. I'm very impressed with that one. Spring onion right there. Yeah, baby. And then we've got our fried onion. And that's gonna go on right in a minute, on the noodles themselves. If I'm actually gonna take all these freaking calories and dump them right into my gut and not even have because it's a mukbang, you're supposed to do those quickly. If I don't even get to like savor it and enjoy it because I'm eating it fast, then make it, I'm kind of bummed about that. I've been doing like 12 to 1500 calories a day. Been pretty good about that. Anyways. Oh, come on, Rotato. There you go. Alright. Beep beep. Alright, well. Hey, look who it is. So you're gonna help me do this? I'm gonna eat all the spicy noodles. You're gonna give me a ready, set, go when it's time? Yeah? Alright, well say bye-bye to all the nice people.
Bye, nice people.
Alright, this has been Hans and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Come on, come here, come here, come here. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Everything.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Why aren't you turning off? Do I have to manually push this button? I guess I do. Bye.